Hello viewers, welcome again at number 14. Our question reads, without using calculator or mathematical tables, simplify a cos 30 degrees minus sine 45 degrees all over sine squared of 30 degrees plus tan squared of 45 degrees. So as you can think guys, here we are going to use special triangles, which we also had done. So just to remind ourselves very fast, 2, 2, 2, 60, 60. If I bisect, I get 30, 30. So root 3. Then the other one of 45 is 1, 1 root 2. 1, 1 root 2, of course, 45 degrees, 45. So substituting this, we are just going to use these two diagrams, very special triangles and special angles. So cos 30 is K, that is adjacent. So cos 30 is adjacent, which is root 3 over 2. So we have root 3 over 2 minus sine 45. So that is opposite over 1 over root 2. Then all over sine 30 first. Sine 30 is a half. Half squared is a quarter plus tan 45 opposite over adjacent, that is 1. 1 squared is 1. So what do we have here? What we have therefore shall be root 3 over 2 minus 1 over root 2 all over 5 over 4. That is 1 and a quarter written into improper fraction. It shall be 5 over 4. So what do we do up to this stage, guys? I want to finish with the numerator, then I divide by the denominator. So numerator shall be root 3 over 2 minus 1 over root 2. These are just like ordinary fractions, so LCM formula shall be 2 root 2. The LCM is 2 root 2. So we compare. 2 goes here, root 2. Root 2 times root 3 is root 6 minus root 2 goes here 2 times. 2 times 1 is a 2. So our answer there becomes root 6 minus 2 all over 2 root 2. So further simplification of this, we can never leave a third on the denominator. So we rationalize by multiplying by 2 root 2 on both sides. 2 root 2. I hope we are together, guys. We cannot leave a third on the denominator. We have to eliminate it through rationalization. We also learned that numerator for numerator, denominator for denominator. So what do we get here? This shall be 2 root 12 minus 4 root 2. That is all over 2 by 2 is 4. Root 2 by root 2 is 2. So 4 by 2 is 8. 8. So simplifying this, let me use enough space here. Simplifying this, that is 2 root 12 minus 4 root 2 all over 8. So we come over here. Further simplification, guys, and my viewers. So what do we do here? This one simply means we can simplify root 12. Remember, 12 is 4 times 3. So root 4 we know is a 2. So this is 2 root 3. So we shall have 2 into 2 root 3 minus 4 root 2 all over 8. Yes. So breaking this small bracket, we shall have 4 root 3 minus 4 root 2 all over 8. So that will be the simplified part of the numerator. But remember, coming back to our question, our working here, we have to divide it by 5 over 3. 5 over 3. So dividing by 5 over 4, 5 over 4. Dividing by 5 over 4. Sorry. So we reciprocate. So we shall be having 4 root 3 minus 4 root 2 all over 8 times 4 over 5 times 4 over 5, the reciprocal of 5 over 4. So what do we have here? So breaking the bracket, we shall have 1, 2. So of course 4 goes here 1, 4 goes here 2. So therefore we have 1 over 10 into 4 root 3 minus 4 root 2. So the numerator, I hope a denominator is simplified, but we still have it as 10. We can see 4 is a common factor. So extracting it outside or factorizing it outside, we shall have 4 over 10 into root 3 minus root 2. So we still have to simplify this as 2 over 5 into root 3 minus root 2. And that shall mark the end of our equation. And that shall mark the final answer of our question. So guys, what a unique question. Usually in paper 1, this one, and therefore you cannot afford to miss this. Guys, we learned about special triangles. You can go through the work we did on our channel, and now you can see we are using the weapons to kill a rat. So study keenly, follow keenly, be careful with SADs, get to know the two triangles. When you know this, you are good to go. Be careful, don't forget to divide by 5 over 4. We decided to simplify the numerator step by step. We really have to be able to manipulate this denominator with the division. That is multiply now by 4 over 5, and there we are. Thank you guys. Do me one more favor, please. To support this program, you can only do it by subscribing, by sharing, by commenting, and by so doing we shall be able to make a difference in the life of our learners. Thank you guys, and may God bless.